Hey everyone, today we're talking about Hurricane Melissa and its impact on Jamaica and the surrounding islands. Into a Category 4 storm, bringing heavy rainfall, strong winds, and widespread flooding to Jamaica. In Kingston and other areas, residents boarded up windows and prepared for the storm. The aftermath left significant damage, and in some areas, Jamaica might even be unrecognizable. Our hearts go out to Jamaica and all the surrounding islands during this difficult time. We stand in solidarity with you and hope for a swift recovery. We'll keep you updated as the situation unfolds. Stay safe, and please like and subscribe for more updates.